Hello guys, this is one and only, your friend Faisal Qazi. Today, I am going to review something interesting product in a wireless headphone category. I am very excited to show you this budget active noise cancelling wireless headphones by Tribit. This QuietPlus 78 noise cancelling headphones are a third of the cost of similarly spaced headphones from big brands like Bose and Sony. I will briefly run through their features before discussing how they sound and how effective their active noise cancellation. Let's open the box and check out what is inside the box. Wow, this headphone comes with a high-quality hard case, and therefore this is immediately ready for travel. In addition to the headphones themselves, a USB charging cable and 3.5mm audio cable for a wired connection is included inside the protective case. One of the interesting things is that this headphone comes with a foldable design. Due to its metal hinges, ear cups can be folded in to fit into the case. Both ear cups snap into position with a positive click. It has a clean understated design with a matte black finish. It is made of plastic, which ensures a low weight of just over 260 grams. Of course, this does not create as much as premium, but considering the price range, that's okay. There is a metal accent band around the outside of each ear cup. The Tribit name is embossed on each cup. All of the controls are found on the right ear cup, including the volume up and down, power, and noise cancellation buttons, as well as the 3.5mm jack and charging port. The headband is expandable. We are able to extend the headband by approximately 5 cm on each side. So, the ear cups can easily fit into the correct position according to the shape of the head. Also, a small amount of movement around a central pivot provides a good fit. There was no reason for complaint here. Ear cups are made of synthetic soft materials. And the headband, which also uses the same material, as per my experience, it's very comfortable for long usage. Let's pair this headphone with a smartphone and play some music to test their sound quality. To pair the headphones, turn it on with a long press of the power button until the status LED flashes red and blue, indicating they're in pairing mode. It comes with the latest Bluetooth 5.0, and the connection was reliable, and the range was good, easily making it to the next room of my house around 10 meters away. The headphone comes with 40mm drivers to provide better audio experience. I will also test active noise cancellation and transparency mode later. Very impressive, it provides good and well-balanced sound with a wide range of music I tried. They have excellent clarity with good bass, while maintaining mids and high sound well. There's little distortion at maximum volume, which is louder than I can comfortably listen to. Now test how effective their active noise cancellation and ambient mode. Press this button to go into a different mode.
Noise cancelling low. Noise cancelling high. Ambient sound on.
The headphones have hybrid active noise cancellation with dual microphones on both ear cups. Together with their passive noise cancellation, ANC does a surprisingly good job on this. In particular, deep and even noises are filtered very reliably. This works particularly well, for example, as a passenger while driving, and the vacuum cleaner at home is hardly annoying. There is also a transparency mode that makes a really good impression. The sound acting from the outside is reproduced clearly and distinctly. So, you can keep your ears open to what's going on in the world around you while enjoying the music. In my testing, battery life was extremely good, and I got at least 20 hours at medium to high volume with ANC on. If you want a good sounding pair over-the-ear noise cancelling headphones with a comprehensive feature set and don't want to pay a lot more money, then this Tribit QuietPlus 78 are definitely worth considering for you. Please find the link in the video description to get this headphone, and see you soon in the next one.